Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avis and Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make a very different and very popular dish, mutton kala rasa, or in English you can call it as mutton black color gravy. It's a different, but believe me, it's really tasty. You can see it's looking so beautiful and taste is awesome. So let's start. For this we have taken here some fresh mutton. Now we are going to boil this mutton in a pressure cooker. So add some water in a pressure cooker along with sliced onion and salt. Take almost 14 to 15 whistles so that our mutton cooked nicely. Here you can see it is nicely cooked. You can drink this water like a mutton soup, which is also very healthy to the body and bones. Now we are going to fry dry coconut, onion, green chilies, tomato on a low gas flame like this. You can use any wire mesh for this. Now we are going to burn them from all sides, because when it will burn like this, it will really give very good taste and good color to the curry. Here you can see we fried them nicely. You can just have a look on this color. Wow, it's superb. Now cut them into small pieces like how I am doing here. Because we are going to make a smooth paste in a mixer. Make a smooth paste like this. Wow, it looks so nice. Look at the color, it's simply awesome. Now let us make our gravy. So take oil in a pan. Once the oil becomes hot, add our paste into it. Mix it and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt as per taste, meat masala. Mix it and fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. On a medium flame. Now add 1 cup of water. Once the water boiled nicely, add our mutton pieces into it. Mix it well. Water as per your gravy requirement. Mix it. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. You can see our mutton kala rasa is ready. It's looking so beautiful. Look at the gravy, it's just awesome. If you are looking for less gravy, let it boil for some more time until the gravy becomes thick. Now you can have this mutton kala rasa with a roti, chapati or rice. I'm sure you are definitely going to love it. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.